lot of times we get questions about ROs and why do they get hooked up to the drain line when we install them. And the simple answer is that reverse osmosis makes ultra pure water through the filter and through the membrane, goes to the storage tank, then from the storage tank comes through a polishing filter up through the faucet at your kitchen sink. But where does the water that has the contaminants go? And there is a tube that comes out of all ROs, and it's the drain line connection. And so what happens is the pure water molecule can only make it through the membrane, and all the other particulate matter attached to that water molecule needs to go somewhere. And so it gets flushed down the drain into the sanitary sewer system and away, just like all your other drains inside the house does. So do ROs waste some water? If you want to use it that way, yes they do. If you want to ask it that way, yes they do. For each gallon of water, pure water that goes to your tank, it can be as good as another gallon of water going down the drain or a couple of gallons of water going down the drain. But only the pure water will end up inside your RO tank. So if you have any questions about why we hook up the drain or any particular questions about your RO, please just reach out and give us a call. We'll be happy to answer any questions. Thank you.